Hello, my shining star. So today we are doing class 3 Learn and Solve Maths by Children Voice publication. So let's start. Chapter 10 Time. Time gives us an idea of when to get up, when to get ready for school, when to go to bed, and so on. We use a clock to know the time of the day. A calendar shows days, dates, and months of a year. Before getting to know more about time, let us revise the previously learned topics by solving the given exercises. So warm up. The first one, draw hands on the clock according to the given time. Now we have time और अब हमें hands draw करने हैं. So see A part 10:45. It means our end is between 10 and 11. Means shorthand is between 10 and 11 and minute hand is at 9. This is 10:45. Okay. Now 2:15. The next is 2:15. It means our end is between 2 and 3 and minute hand is at 3. So like this you can complete these two. The second one, name the days of the week. So here A part M means Monday. M means Monday, right? B part SUNDAY, Sunday. C Wednesday, D Thursday, D Tuesday, sorry. Now third one, look at the clocks and write the time. So now we have clocks. We have to write the time. So here A part, what is the time? Time is 2 o'clock. B part, what is the time? This is 5:30. Okay, similarly you can try these one. Now the fourth one, write the numbers of the given months in order. So here January, that is the first month of the year. February, then March 3, April 4, May 5, 6, June 7, July, okay, 8 August, 9 September, right, and then 10 October, November 11th month, and December is the last month, means 12. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now reading time from a clock. अब हम किसी clock से time को कैसे read करेंगे? We have to see time in hours. When the minute hand is at 12, the hour end shows the full hours. In the given clock, the hour end is at 3 and the minute hand is at 12. So what is the time? It is 3 o'clock. It is written as 3, 2 dots, 0, 0. So this is the time, right? Now time in hours. So see here, when the minute hand is at 6, it shows half an hour. In the given clock, the minute hand is at 6 and the hour end is between 4 and 5. So the time is 4:30. So this is 4:30. Okay. Now time in quarters. When the minute hand is at 9, it shows a quarter of an hour before, and when the minute hand is at 3, it shows. So when the time is in quarter hours, the minute hand is either at 3 or 9. So in the given clock, the minute hand is at 9 and the hour end is between 6 and 7. So the time is 6:45. It is written as 6:45. Okay. Now here in the given clock, the minute hand is at 3 and the hour end is between 7 and 8. So this is 7:15, or we can say 7:15, right? I hope this is clear to you. Assessment 1, question number 1, write the time shown by the clocks. So you can try these one. Now the second one, write the time in 2 ways. So here we have to write the time in 2 ways. Like here, our end is at between 4 and 5 and minute hand is at 3. So you can write 4:15 or 4:15. Okay. So what will you write? You will write 4:15 or 4:15. Okay. Similarly, you can try these one. Now the third one, write the correct time shown on the face of each clock. So we have to write the time over here. Like here, A part, hour end is between 3 and 4 and minute hand is at 9. So this is 3:45, 3:45, 3:45. Okay. Like here, the hour end is between 12 and 1 and the minute hand is at 9. So this is 12:45, 1:45. Okay. Similarly, you can try these one. Now telling time to the correct 5 minutes. A clock has 12 big divisions, numbers 1 to 12. Big division is further divided into 5 small divisions. Each small division is equal to 1 minute. So there are 5 minutes between two consecutive numbers. See here, we have 1 to 12 numbers. Okay, and between each number we have 5 division and 1 is showing 1 minute. So between 1 and 2, 5 minutes, right? Then between 1 and 3, 5 and 5, 10 minutes. So like this we are increasing 5 minutes. Okay. So in this way we can tell the time to accurate 5 minutes. So when the minute hand is at, these are the numbers and it shows. So when the minute hand is at 1, we can say 1 into 5, 5 minutes. When the minute hand is at 2, we can say 2 into 5, 10 minutes. At 3, 3 into 5, 15 minutes. At 4, 4 into 5, 20 minutes. 5, 5 into 5, 25 minutes. And when it is at 6, 6 multiply 5, 30 minutes. So like this. When 7, 7 into 5, 35 minutes. When at 8, 8 into 5, 40 minutes. At 9, 9 into 5, 45 minutes. At 10, 10 into 5, 50 minutes. At 11, 11 into 5, 55 minutes. And at 12, 12 into 5, that is 60 minutes. Now time in hours and minutes. Number of minutes past the hour. So the hour end lies between 2 and 3, like this. And the minute hand is at 5. So what is the time? Time is 25 minutes past 2, or we can say 2:25. Now number of minutes left to the next hour. The hour end is between 1 and 2 and the minute hand is at 8. See this one. So what is the time? The position of minute hand needs 20 minutes to complete one round. It means we can say 20 minutes to 2 and it is written as 1:40. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now teachers note, the right half of a clock says the number of minutes past the hour. The left half of a clock says the number of minutes to the next hour. Now assessment 2 here. The first one, how many minutes have passed if the minute hand has moved from, like here, 4 to 10. So 4 to 10, you can say 5, 4 to 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 to 10, 6 numbers. It means how many minutes? 5 into 6, 30 minutes. Okay, this is 30 minutes. 2 to 4, so 1, 2. So 2 numbers, so 2 into 5, 10 minutes. Because 2 to 3, 5 minutes, 3 to 4, 5 minutes. So 5 plus 5, 10 minutes. Similarly, you can try these one. Now the second one, write the time in 3 different ways. One has been done for you. So like here, see this one, A part, we have 4:15. Hour end is between 4 and 5 and the minute hand is at 3. So this is 4:15, or we can say 15 minutes past 4, or we can say 45 minutes to 5. यानी 5 o'clock होने में 45 minutes बचे हैं और 4 o'clock हो चुके हैं 15 minutes past. Okay, so here now B part, what is the time? This is hour end is at 10 and minute hand is at 3, so this is 10:15. 10:15, you can say 15 minutes past 10, and how much time is left for 11? 10 o'clock के बाद तो 11 o'clock होगा, so you can write 45 minutes to 11, right? So very easy, very interesting. Okay, now the next is third one, filling the blanks. The shorthand is called the hour end and it measures times in hours. There are dash hours from one midnight to the next midnight. So you know very well, just write down. Similarly, you can try these one. Now estimating time. Some activities take very little time. The time of these activities is measured in seconds. For example, blinking of our eyes, blowing of a candle, etc. The time of some activities is measured in minutes, like for example, talking on phone, listening to a song, etc. Minute is bigger than second. Now some activities take even longer time. The time of these activities is measured in hours, like watching a football match, reading a book, etc. So we have the relationship between the units of time as shown in box above. You know 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes equals to 1 hour and 24 hours equals to 1 day. Now assessment 3. The first one, estimate the time taken by the following activities and take the correct answer. Like A part, switching off the light. So seconds, minutes or hours. So seconds. 1 period in the class, minutes. Time spent in school every day, it is in hours. Okay, now the next is calendar. You know, a calendar shows a complete year. It helps to keep track of days, weeks and months. आपने कैलेंडर देखा होगा अपने घर में. तो कैलेंडर में हम क्या देखते हैं? Months, year, days and how many days in a month. Okay, when we have Sunday, when we have Monday, like this. So the first one, April, June, September and November have 30 days. So these months have 30 days, and January, March, May, July, August, October, December have 31 days. So you can see your fist like this. The upper one, this is like we are starting from January, so 31 days. February, you know, it has 28 or 29 days. March 31, April 30, May 31, then June 30, July 31, then start from next, August also 31, then down September, then October 31, then November down 30, then December 31. So like this. Okay, it is showing like this, right? Now February has 28 days in an ordinary year but 29 days in a leap year, and a leap year has 366 days. A leap year comes after every 4 years. If a year is divisible by 4, that is a leap year. For example, 1996, 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016 and so on. Now you know there are 12 months in a year. Now conversion of units of time. Observe these examples. Example 1, convert into minutes. A part 5 hours. तो 5 hours को हम minutes में कैसे बनाएंगे? You know 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 5 multiplied by 60 means 300 minutes. Okay. Now B part 7 hours. 7 multiplied 60, 420 minutes. Example 2, convert 4 days, 3 hours into hours. So 1 day, 24 hours. So 4 days, 3 hours means 4 into 24 plus 3 hours, because 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 96 plus 3, 99 hours. Now convert into weeks. The next example, A part 4 months. You know 1 month में 4 weeks. Okay, so 4 months, 4 into 4, 16 weeks. B part 7 months, 7 into 4, 28 weeks. Next is example 4. Convert into days. You know 1 week 7 days. A part 11 weeks है तो 1 week में 7 days, 11 weeks means more days. 11 into 7, 77 days. 6 months. So 1 month में हम 30 days लेकर चलेंगे. 6 months, 6 into 30, 180 days. 1 year. Now the C part is 2 years. So 1 year we know 365 days. So 2 years means multiply by 2, 730 days. D part 3 weeks 6 days. So 3 weeks 6 days means 3 multiply 7 plus 6. 21 plus 6, 27 days. Now the next is September and December. In September we have 30, in December we have 31. दोनों को add कर देंगे 61 days. 3 years, 4 months. 3 years means 3 into 365 days plus 4 into 30 days. Calculation करेंगे. This is the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to assessment 4. The first one, filling the blanks. A part, months that have 31 days are. So you know very well. Now number of days in a year are 365 or 366. Number of days in February, 28 or 29. If a year can be divided by 4, it is a leap year. Number of months in a year, 12. Okay, 2 consecutive months having 31 days are July and August. Right? And a leap year has 366 days. Right? The next is convert the following into minutes, like 5 hours. You know 1 hour, 60 minutes. So 5 into 60, 300 minutes. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The third one, convert into hours, like 4 days. You know 1 day, 24 hours. So 4 into 24, 96 hours. ऐसे ही आप बाकी के parts करेंगे. I hope this is clear to you. Now think smarter and aptitude reasoning is here. You can try these one on your own. Now think smarter and aptitude reasoning is here. You can try these one. I hope the concept is very much clear to you. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us for more videos. Stay happy, stay blessed.